learn solution of triangle using projection rule. That is last rule for solving triangle. Statement for projection rule. Let us see. For any triangle ABC, one side A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Second statement, B equal to C cos A plus A cos C. Third statement, C equal to A cos B plus B cos A. Remember statement for the sign projection rule. It's very easy. One side is expressed in terms of the other two side combination. Like let us check first side A length express here in terms of B and C. When you take side B, at that time cos of angle C. Next plus C and cos of angle B, like this. Statement A equal to B cos C plus C cos B. By rotation wise cylinder we can express the length of the sides, that is B and C. We prove statement of projection rule by using previous cosine rule. See the proof. See proof. Starting, we know that cos of angle A equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Next, cos of B equal to C square plus A square minus B square upon 2 times CA by cosine rule. I have taken only two functions, cos A and cos B, not the cos C. So I can prove the third result in terms of cos A and cos B. To prove third result, C equal to A cos B plus B cos A. We start with RHS. RHS is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. A times value for cos B by cosine rule. Substitute C square plus A square minus B square upon 2 times CA plus B times value of cos A. B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. In simplification, let us check for numerator and the denominator. A cancel. Second term, multiplicative B, denominator B cancel. Write remaining terms as it is. Equal to C square plus A square minus B square divide 2 times C plus second term B square plus C square minus A square divide 2 times C. Observe here both denominators are same. We can take addition of numerator. It is equal to C square plus A square minus B square plus with next numerator B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2 times C. In numerator, addition check plus minus opposite sign terms. That is minus A square and plus A square both are get cancelled. Next minus B square and plus B square also get cancelled. Remaining 2 terms for numerator plus C square plus C square, that is double. 2 times C square divided by 2 times C. Check this division, 2 get cancelled. C square divided by C. It is equal to the C division. Is it the LHS? Yes, that is equal to LHS. Therefore, statement is true for LHS equal to RHS or RHS equal to LHS. Any way you can solve. Hence finally C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. I prove here third statement for the length of side C. Similarly, you can show other two results by writing here. Similarly, we can show that and statements. This is proof of the projection rule by using cosine rule. Each lesson consists of application part. In this solution of triangle, 3 rules you have learned: sine rule, cosine rule and projection rule. We continue with the concept applications of sine rule, cosine rule and projection rule. First one application, half angle formulates. Second application is Heron's formula that we have learned in previous classes for finding area of triangle ABC. Then next application, Neperian analogy related to again trigonometric function. We are going to start one by one these applications. We start with now today first application, half angle formula. In triangle ABC, sides A plus B plus C equal to 2 times S. Then sine of angle A by 2 equal to under root of S minus B factor into S minus C divided by B into C side. Second, cos of A by 2 equal to under root S into S minus A upon BC. And third result for tan function, angle A by 2 equal to under root of S minus B into S minus C divided by S into S minus A. Let us see proof of this statement. First, we start with half angle formula for sine A by 2 using result half angle formula of 1 minus cos A equal to 2 times sine square A by 2. You have learned formula for the cos A, cos B, cos C by cosine rule. Hence, we can write 2 times sine square A by 2 RHS equal to 1 minus cos of A by cosine rule expressed as B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Subtraction in the right hand side is equal to 2 times BC into 1 2BC minus B square, sign all get changed, minus C square minus minus plus A square divided by 2BC. Now I am writing perfect square arrangement for the numerator, that is minus B square minus C square and plus 2BC. But square terms are always positive, therefore I can take minus sign between these 3 terms and first writing positive term. Therefore equation expressed as A square minus common remaining B square minus 2BC plus C square divided by 2BC. This step is very important to take minus common between these 3 terms. After this, check bracket, B square minus 2BC plus C square, obtain perfect square for B minus C. Hence, it is equal to A square minus B minus C bracket square divided by 2BC. After this, if you observe numerator getting the factors formula that you have learned, equation like x square minus y square, 2 factors are obtained. One is x plus y, other is x minus y. Hence factors for this equation we can write as, use brackets to avoid mistake. Let us see factors here. First factor writing A plus B minus C and second factor a minus b minus c. Two factors are expressed. Then remove the bracket of inside. It is equal to a plus b minus c into a minus b and minus minus plus c. So I take positive term first. So equation a plus c minus b divided by 2 times bc, but in addition a plus c I have written first because I know sum of sides of triangle a plus b plus c is always 2 times s. From this equation a plus b equal to 2 times s minus c, that is c should take to the right hand side. We can write value for a plus b. Therefore equation here a plus b value replaced by 2 times s minus c, previous minus c as it is, into. Next a plus c value from this relation is obtained 2 times s minus b and previous minus b as it is, denominator value 2bc as it is, no change. After this continue with the addition part. Minus c, that is double, 2s minus 2 times c into 2s minus 2 times b divided by 2bc. From numerator, two factors you can take 2 multiplicative common outside. Therefore finally 2 times sin square a by 2 value is obtained, 2 times s minus c, again 2 common but I am writing right hand side, s minus b divided by 2bc. Check for cancellation. Numerator 2, denominator 2 cancel. Next left hand side 2 and right hand side 2 get cancelled. Therefore remaining values are sin square of angle a by 2 equal to s minus c into s minus b upon bc. Value for sin square is obtained. Target is to get value of sin a by 2. Take square root on both the sides. Therefore sin of angle a by 2 is equal to under root of, product is commutative, we can change place, s minus b into s minus c upon bc. This is first result. Now for second result, let us continue with the change. 1 plus cos of a, that is 2 times cos square of a by 2. By same previous method we put value 2 times cos square a by 2 is equal to 1 plus cosine root formula for cos of a, b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. Take addition for right hand side. Addition 2 times bc plus b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. Numerator, first 3 terms getting perfect square. Perfect square for b plus c whole bracket square minus a square as it is divided 2bc. Numerator obtained, again factors formula x square minus y square. Write 2 factors. First in square bracket b plus c plus a. Next we take minus one factor, b plus c minus a whole divided by 2bc as it is. Remove that open brackets. Value b plus c plus a into b plus c minus a divided by 2bc. After this step, observe first bracket is obtained, b plus c plus a, that is sum of 3 sides which is known 2 times s. Substitute 2 times cos square a by 2 is equal to right hand side 2 times s into value of b plus c from same equation, b plus c equal to 2 times s minus a. And previous minus a also as it is denominator 2 times BC. It is equal to 2s minus a 2 times a divided by 2bc. You can take 2 common from the last factor, that is equal to 2s into s minus a, 2 outside divided by 2bc, left hand side 2 times cos square a by 2. Check for cancellation of terms. Left hand side 2, right hand side 2 cancel. Denominator 2, numerator 2 cancel. Remaining is cos square a by 2 equal to s into s minus a upon bc. Result obtained for cos square, we require cos function. Take square root on both the sides. Square root obtained. Cos of a by 2 equal to s under root of s minus a upon b into c. Hence second result true. Now remaining is third result, tan of a by 2. Children, we have proved already first two results, sin a by 2 and cos a by 2. Remaining third result for tan of half angle a by 2. It's very easy. You have known tan function is expressed as division of sin and cos. So same for half angle formula, writing equation tan of a by 2 equal to sin a by 2 upon cos a by 2. Substitute both formulas which you have already proved. Sin a by 2 formula to s minus b into s minus c divided by bc, and denominator cos of a by 2 s into s minus a upon bc. Combine both these square roots of numerator and denominator. Expressed as whole square root here. BC get cancelled from these denominators. Remaining values are s minus b into s minus c, denominator factor s into s minus a, that is value of tan a by 2. Check proof. This is first application of sine rule, cosine rule and projection rule, that is half angle formula. Let us continue with second application. Application is Heron's formula for area of triangle ABC. Statement: if ABC are sides of triangle ABC and sum of sides A plus B plus C equal to 2 times S, then prove that area of triangle ABC given by under root s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. Let us see proof of this Heron's formula. Starting with, we know that formula known for area of triangle ABC given by half into BC into sine of angle A. Now for sine function we can use half angle formula, because in first application we do half angle formulas. It is equal to half BC into sine of A, expressed as half angle formula 2 times sine A by 2 into cos A by 2. Then this denominator 2 and multiplicative 2 get cancelled. Remaining b into c, sine of a by 2 by half angle formula previously we have proved s minus b into s minus c divided by bc, and cos a by 2 proved s into s minus a divided by b into c. Both are inside the square root, we can multiply. That is equal to BC under root of product of factor for numerator s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, and denominator multiply BC into BC, that is BC square. And this perfect square you can take outside from this square root value. It is equal to BC under root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C divided by BC. And after this, BC will cancel. Hence, finally, area of triangle ABC is given by, see right hand side, under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is known as Heron's formula for area of triangle ABC. To get the answer of area, you must have given 3 sides of triangles. This session you have learned 2 concepts in applications of sine rule, cosine rule and projection rule, that is half angle formula and Heron's formula for area of triangle ABC. We stop here. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.